This is an incredibly short movie on my Husqvarna 562XP. I'm used to still equipment really. I have used this once before. It was very hard to start the first time I got it. I'm also used to my still cut-off saw, my still concrete saw. And I got this completely wrong. This would not start. I tried for 5 minutes. I could not get it to start. Here's the problem, right? With this machine, the choke is... Still can't use it. You pull it out, you put it up. And that's the choke on. And you use that to start. You pull, you hear it. You hear the engine starting. You put it off, you set it back to here. Now here's the problem. In my cut-off saw, to put it off, the off position is all the way down. But in this, you just flick it and it goes back to the on position. So it sits in the on position, not the off position. So here's the problem. I had it on choke. And I had it on, I had it in choke, I had it on, and I took out the spark plug, which is in here. It's very easily done. You just unclip these clips here, take the top off, spark plug's in there, take the electrical connector off the spark plug, take the spark plug out. The spark plug was soaking wet. Dried it, cleaned it, put it back in, put it onto the pull up choke position, made sure it's pressurised, all the rest of it. And it started first time, and it worked beautifully, really beautifully. I mean, this is a 562XP. It's just a superb saw once it's running, just awesome. But yeah, I flooded it, and I wouldn't have believed that I could have flooded it because I've been using my concrete saw, my other still saw for years. I've never flooded it. But when I looked inside the spark plug, the actual circumference of the chamber, or the hole where the spark plug goes, it was wet with fuel as well. So obviously it's leaked out, sputted out the combination of air and fuel that you need to ignite it. The mist, if you like, it actually seeped out because there'd been so much in there, and it was really easy. I just took the plug out, obviously a bit of evaporation, cleaned it up a little bit, cleaned the spark plug, put it back in. Absolutely awesome after that. So there you go. Very easy to flood a Husqvarna chainsaw if you don't know what you're doing, and very easy to fix it as well if you don't know what you're doing. No problem. It's probably an issue with me just having so many tools and they all work a little bit differently.